Oh my god, let's get on.
No, heck no. I ain't finna get stuck on there.
Oh my god, Josh. It's working.
You use somebody whistling.
Oh. It looks neat, don't it? That should make this. Let's go.
Swear to God, if I get stuck over here.
This smells new, don't it, Josh? Whew. This is the only thing brand new in this thing. I'm scared, for real.
Where we going?
Oh god! I can't breathe. Oh my god, for real, I can't. I'm getting close. Oh, God.
Oh, you get stuck on our.
I can't breathe.
Oh,
Oh my god.
Oh, okay.
Oh my god, Josh, it's crossed off. Oh my god. Let's go.
No.
We gotta get off this. We gotta get off. Oh my hair.
Fourth floor.
I can't breathe or anything. Oh god, that was scary.
They up there.
That was scary. Let's go back down here. Oh, let's go up here. Oh, it's back here.
God, they up.
Oh my god. That was so scary. What? You understand? That's like the only clean thing. This has been a nice school though. Open it. Open it. Oh my god, look, come here. There's like steps and it's like really dark back there. Look, it's steps right there. Look to the side. In that door. Let's go back here. It's a closet. They kept some crazy people back there. I wonder what's back there.
Shoot, wait.
This is a big school though.
They got dust like getting in your nose.
The smell's getting to my throat. Look at them handprints.
They probably cleaned everything in here with bleach.
The only thing clean about this is the elevator, ain't it, Josh? I wonder what's back there. It's gonna be funny watching the elevator part. We should put this on MySpace. Just cut everything else up.
Not only gonna take the watch this, but you ain't stopping recording. You gotta stop and go more.